Hey, is it possible we could have a warehouse workshop?
Of course! Come on in, come on in.
Thank you.
So, this was the one you...
I think you can wait for a minute. You just have your lunch. You don't.
Oh, she's
Just downstairs in the next couple of minutes.
How we said this is not a book. Mitä tää kerrottiin Aleksi?
Shipment. This is
They're asking us to
number 10 underneath meant it with the spiral bound book.
do the other way.
Yeah?
Other
So
way.
it's not a...
It's really
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Jordan.
How many students do you have?
Okay. So go on then. Just one. Let Toby know.
Just one. Just one.
Okay, just one book.
Yeah.
Just one.
Okay. Hey, hey, that's the one. Good. Excellent.
We get it.
Here, they could have 3 things.
Yeah. Yes. It's good. Huh? Yes, good. Let's go. Ja varmaan riittää.
And in the yellow ones you get card that is either good or a bad thing. Like you came to school, great for you. Take 2 steps ahead. And also it can be you didn't come to school and you didn't tell anybody about it.
Right.
So it was a wrong thing. Take back 3 steps.
Okay.
So you have made this.
Yeah, I have made this. It's already ready, and I have gave it to my boss to see if we can do something about it.
It's almost like African teh.
So thank you so much for an excellent warehouse workshop. We've learnt so much. It's something we have never experienced, and it's been very, very interesting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Pleasure was all mine. You had very good students